talk through, the homeowners are familiar. When you're saying an underlayment is 30 pounds is the industry standard. You guys offer 40 pounds. What does that pound mean in underlayment? And underlayment is the waterproofing membrane that goes down before your asphalt or your shingle, your top roof is put on.
So when we're talking about obviously the weight of the felt paper, that's what we're describing it as. And then obviously the thickness of the felt paper. And so when we, based off the ROC, they provide us with the codes. But when we do a roof, we're trying to go above and beyond. And so that's why we're going to do more, because if I can do more, then I can ensure that this is going to be a long lasting roof.
And the heavier, the thicker the underlayment, obviously, the
better it's going to be.
But unlike going from asphalt shingle roof to an aluminum snap-on or a metal roof where your price is jumping 3 times. To go from bottom of the line underlayment to top of the line underlayment, you're not jumping 4 or 5 times the amount. It's why people skim on the underlayment. It's the hardest to get to. It's the most critical part. Just it blows my mind skimping on that.
I feel like just people need to just be educated about it. And that's why I feel like too, because also you can have the greatest underlayment, but if you don't have good craftsmanship, all that goes out the window too. So that's what you got to realize too. You got to hire a company that is professional and knows what they're doing to install it.